Beautifully maintained little farmette at the edge of town, with public water, stream, pastoral views and easy access. Backing to trees and fronting to pasture, it is unrestricted. The newer roof, windows and HVAC means low maintenance, especially with a stucco exterior. 2 bedrooms up, 2 down, 2 baths and a laundry on main floor make it super convenient living space. Cedar interior throughout. Large patio and a covered front porch to relax and watch the flora and fauna as the seasons change. The same view also afforded from the living room picture window. A partial walkout basement would be great for workshop, office or extra living space. The 3-car garage has electric garage door openers for your convenience and workbenches and wire.